Making sharp, clean lines on metal requires a sharp, clean point. This is a scriber. It's made from hardened and tempered tool steel. To mark a line with a scriber, draw it towards you and keep it angled in the direction it's going to travel so it doesn't dig into the surface being marked. On some hard or shiny surfaces, scribe marks can be hard to see, so marking dye helps. A thin coat is applied to the area being marked. It dries very quickly. Then the path cut by the point of the scriber is easy to see. Engineer's blue is similar to marking dye. It comes in tubes and it's a bit like blue butter. Sometimes in checking a fit or testing for flatness, it's difficult to see the area being worked on. By smearing a small amount of engineer's blue on a surface plate, it can be used to indicate if the surface to be tested is flat. The blue marks on the housing indicate the high areas which must be removed to obtain a flat surface. A flat surface would be blue over the